Most people think that you need to start a business from scratch to make money online, but I did the exact opposite. Instead of spending years grinding, testing, and hoping that a business would work out, I skipped straight to the money. You see, I bought online businesses that were already making money so I could start profiting immediately with just my laptop. No guessing, no struggling to find customers, no wasting years trying to build something from zero. And the best part is that you can do this too. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can use this strategy to start making money online without the stress of starting from scratch. Most people think that making money online means starting from zero, building a brand, launching a website, figuring out marketing, and hoping it all works out. But here's the truth. Most businesses fail before they even become profitable. I mean, think about it. How many people spend years working on a startup, testing products, running ads, and trying to get customers, only to never even make a dime? And this used to be me, but I didn't want to waste years guessing on what works or struggling to get my first sale. So instead of starting from scratch, I found a better way. The business already had customers and cash flow. I wasn't starting at zero. I didn't have to test products or even guess what works. The business had a proven demand, a working business model, and existing revenue. I could start making money on day one. Instead of spending months or even years building something from scratch, I took over a business that was already profitable. Most people take the slow path, grinding for years, hoping that their business eventually works. But I skipped that and bought a business that was already working. And so where do you actually find online businesses for sale? Most people don't even realize that there are thousands of businesses available right now. Businesses that are already profitable and already have customers and are just waiting for the right buyer. Instead of starting from scratch, you can buy a business that's already making money and step into an income stream on day one. Here are the best platforms to find online businesses for sale. Flippa. This is great for smaller websites and e-commerce stores, and Flippa is one of the largest marketplaces for buying and selling online businesses. You'll find smaller websites, various e-commerce stores, content blogs, and affiliate sites. And many of these sell for $5K to $100K, making it a great place to start. And if you want to acquire an income-generating website for a lower price, Flippa is definitely worth checking out. Next, we have Empire Flippers. These are a little bit more higher-end, proven business models with verified financials. So a lot of the businesses here are making anywhere between $2,000 a month up to $50,000 per month in profit. And so if you're looking for a serious business with a proven track record, then Empire Flippers is one of the best marketplaces. And next you have acquire.com. This is best for SaaS and various digital businesses. And a lot of these have the recurring revenue models, but a lot of times they may be pre-revenue, so startup, they may have a good idea, but not necessarily much cash flow. But a lot of these also do have a lot of cash flow as well. So you can negotiate with the sellers directly, which gives you a lot more flexibility as well, so that you can structure the deals directly with these individual sellers. If you're looking for a scalable, digital-first business, acquire.com is a great place to find one. And so these platforms list thousands of profitable businesses that you can buy today, so you don't have to start from scratch or even spend years building something from zero. Most people think that buying a business requires a ton of cash, but that's not true. The reality is there are creative ways to acquire a profitable online business without needing a massive amount of your own money up front. Most successful entrepreneurs rarely buy businesses with their own cash. They use leverage, financing, and smart deal structures to make acquisitions happen. Here's exactly how I do it. Seller financing. So this lets the business pay for itself instead of paying all the money up front. This means that I pay the seller over time using the business's own profits. An example of this is, let's say a business is selling for $200,000, and instead of paying it all up front, I negotiate $40,000 down using business credit or a loan, $160K paid over 3 years from the business's revenue. This allows me to acquire a business now and pay for it over time without draining my own savings. Business credit stacking. Get $50 to $250K in 0% business credit. So banks offer 0% interest business credit cards that can be used to fund acquisitions. By applying multiple cards at once, I can secure 6 figures in funding without taking on any personal debt. I use these funds for down payments on seller finance deals, growth in marketing after the acquisition, and paying off structured deals over time. This is one of the fastest ways to access capital without needing investors or big loans. And then we have revenue share deals. This allows you to pay the seller with the future profits instead of paying cash up front. With this, I can negotiate deals where the seller gets a percentage of the future profits. An example of this is, let's say, instead of paying $100,000 up front, I can offer to pay 30% of the revenue for the next 24 months. This lets me take over a profitable business with zero upfront cash while the seller still makes money. By combining these strategies, you can acquire a 6 or even a 7-figure online business without needing a massive amount of cash. Instead of waiting years to save up and start a business from scratch, you can buy one that's already making money using other people's money. So how do these businesses actually make money? The key to buying a business instead of starting one is that it's already profitable. These businesses have existing customers, cash flow, proven revenue models, which means that I don't have to guess on what works. Most of the businesses that I buy fall into these three main categories. Affiliate websites with passive commissions. And so affiliate websites make money through promoting products through their website. An example of this is, let's say a website ranks for best laptops for students. And every time somebody buys through that particular website, that link, then they get a commission for every purchase that's made. And since the website is already generating traffic, it continues to make money passively every single month. Next is e-commerce stores that are selling physical or digital products. With e-commerce businesses, they're selling some sort of physical or digital product. It can also be like a print-on-demand merchandise store. And these stores are on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon FBA, and the revenue comes from selling trending products and drop shipping where you don't have to store the actual products, and then subscription-based product sales as well. Instead of testing random products, I acquire stores that already have winning products and steady cash flow from the sales. Next, we have SaaS and subscription businesses. With these types of businesses, generate consistent and predictable revenue on a monthly basis. Customers pay monthly or yearly to access a software tool or a membership or some sort of premium content. And the business model is highly scalable and requires minimal overhead once it's running. An example of this is, let's say, a simple email marketing tool that charges $49 per month per user can generate $10K per month in passive income. These businesses are already optimized to generate cash flow, and once I buy them, I look for small tweaks to increase revenue even more. For affiliate sites, I improve SEO rankings and higher paying affiliate programs. For the e-commerce stores, I optimize ads, improve conversions, and expand product offerings. For SaaS and subscription businesses, I add more features, reduce churn, and scale with paid traffic. By acquiring businesses that are already profitable and making small improvements, I can turn a $5K a month business into a $20K a month business without building anything from scratch. So instead of wasting years trying to build a business from scratch, I found a faster way. I bought one. I didn't have to guess what products would sell, struggle to get customers, or burn through cash testing different strategies. Instead, I acquired businesses that were already profitable and started making money from day one. And the best part is that you can do this too. If you want me to break down exactly how to find, evaluate, and acquire an online business, drop a comment below. And if you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you on the next one.